Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to transfer a project from Final Cut Pro for iPad to the desktop version of Final Cut Pro. So the full Mac version of Final Cut Pro. You might want to do this for a number of reasons, but I do want to warn you that at this time it does not support the reverse. So, in order to do this, what you do is you simply click on here, okay? And then click on Final Cut Pro Project, iPad project. That's what you want to click on. You want to make sure include all media is checked. Then you hit export. Now you can airdrop it, you can mail it to yourself, you can save it on the cloud. I'm just going to airdrop it to myself, and I will see you guys on the desktop version. And then after that's done, what you will want to do is then go to File on the desktop version of Final Cut Pro, hit Import, and then go over to Final Cut Pro for iPad Project. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, it will then proceed to ask you where you want the library to be saved. Because remember, we selected the whole library. So now the file is FCP project file .fcp project, and it's importing it right now for us, and it's unpacking it where we told it to unpack it. And as soon as it finishes importing, what you will see are the files. That's why we packaged all the files with it. So now it imported all of the files, and all of the files still have their full audio, which is funny because of the fact that Final Cut Pro for iPad at this time, as far as I know, doesn't support multi-audio tracks on the same video thing, or whether I didn't get it to work. So it's kind of funny. It actually exported that into the whole file. So anyway, you see everything is here just as we want. The live drawing is here. That's our main reason why we even did it, live drawing. Now, it was a little out of sync, so all we gotta do is move that around a bit, play around with it till we find what we want. We can even, it didn't actually turn this into, just like a PNG or GIF or anything either. It literally, we can edit this still. Like, we can make it faster or slower. Yeah, so if we make it super slow there, let's go ahead and disable the audio tracks so we can actually see it. If we do it super slow, as you see, it's going to go super slow. Or we can change it again to go quicker, so it will go quicker. Or, in theory, we could change it to do something like, I guess keyframes aren't really supported for it at this time, but that makes sense. But yeah, it still does the live drawing thing. Let's it change it. Let it go super fast with it. So yeah, I imagine in the future there will be more features. Now keep in mind, at this time there is no option to put this back on Final Cut Pro for iPad, for example. But with that said, this theoretically you could copy and paste onto any of your projects. Let's actually try that right now. Command C to copy, and then what we will do is we'll pick one of our other projects that we're working on right now just to test things out. And then we got the live drawing on here. So that's actually pretty cool. That's like a neat trick so you can do without needing extra plugins and stuff. Because remember, I literally drew this. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you guys found this helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.